So anyway, people, how you going today? This is Glenn, back with another video, and I have a lot of pennies from the 1920s and 30s. So we're just going to have a look and see if any of these are actually error coins. So these are actually not really valuable unless they are error. So the first coin I have is a 1933, and as you can see, I need to zoom in a lot closer. What we're looking at basically at the start is an overdate version, so it should be like a point at the front of the 3, and you should be able to see some minor details of the actual 2, which I don't. So it's not an overdate version, and then just move around, see if there's any die cracks, any doubling, and any of the actual dots. So if I can turn it around, so it stops that flickering, which is pretty annoying with our lamps. So no, I don't actually see anything of importance on that coin. Maybe if I turn on the lamp, the light, turn off that. No, I think the lamp's better. So let's go on to the next coin. So when you actually do these, you actually need a good light. So we've got a 34. So a weak end, that might just be damage. So what I'm talking about is up the top there. Doesn't actually look too circulated. Nothing up there. As this might be just a die fill weak strike. That I'll need to look into. Because it's a bit hard. See, this coin's probably in fine condition. So it could just be wear, or it could be mint damage, or as you call it, an error. So there's nothing on that one. 1935, pretty common coin. And people go around, oh, the 1972 5 cent will be worth a lot of money. Well, this coin actually, I think it has to be 4 or 5 million. So it's a lower mintage of a 5 cent coin, but you know, this one's in fine condition. You can pick it up for a few dollars, $1 or $2, something like that. So the 5 cent coins are never going to really be worth a lot of money, any of them, unless it's an error or very high grade. So I'm talking about ones from mint sets or proof sets, which are, while still common, they do get a higher value. So this is a 1928. It doesn't have a broken 8. I don't see anything on that. No. Okay, how about the O? No, it's fine. Any other type of errors? You also look for doubling on the lettering. So you turn it around. And I didn't see doubling on these. That one might be. Oh, look at the, whoops, sorry, dropped it. The W. As you can see, there's something wrong with the W there. I think there's a problem with the lettering on this side. Now you can see it there. That might be a grease fill. I did show one before, and actually that one sold for like $150, so I don't have that coin anymore. And that was only a coin in a fine condition, or very fine. 36 last year, 9 million. Not a uncommon coin. So, and in low grade, so this one's probably low grade, very fine. You can probably pick it up for $3 or $4. And it looks like we have a problem with the R. Need to look into that. So Well, it might just be damaged, so I need to actually magnify it a lot more. How about the T? Oh no, there's a problem with the T as well. That also could be dye fuel, so that's where oil gets into the actual dye. And look at the rest of the lettering. Now, so these are the things you're actually looking for. No doubling. How about this lettering? No, don't see any, but I'll put that aside. Okay, go on to the next coin, 1932. So when you're looking at the overdate, you're looking at the part here. So just at the tip of the two, at the where as it curves around, and also the sheriff there, and the actual actual where the two turns when you're looking at the actual three. But this coin, nothing on this. Okay, this is in very fine condition, and you have to remember is that when you actually buy these coins, sometimes they've actually been searched for errors, so sometimes you won't actually find any, which is okay. They can do that like I'm doing now, and you just take your chances. So good luck to anyone who actually finds an error. Okay, next coin is a 1929. So the 20 is generally in between the N, you find the impression of an N on it. This one doesn't have it. This one looks like it has ghosting though. Okay, nope, nothing on there. Okay, let's turn it over. So this is fine condition. Yep. And the reason why these are actually low value is that there's a hell of a lot of people selling them. So the law of supply and demand, when there's lots of supply and not as much demand, the price goes down. So because of the internet, a lot of people can actually sell these coins, and the price has actually dropped. The catalog value is actually not realistic anymore. Okay, 1927. Okay, so the other 1927 I had was a grease fuel, and this one doesn't seem to be it. Damn. I did see another one, but that was going for like $100 or so. And no, just toning on the actual coin. So in between there, which would have occurred ever since it was issued. Okay. No. Don't see anything on that coin. Doesn't have a broken N on the second N. But if you actually scratch this, you find that all that stuff comes off because it's just dirt. So that's so what I got is I might actually have a cut on the R. It's not very small, so it probably doesn't really affect the value. And something with the lettering on this one that I need to check. Anyway, so that's all I've got for this video, and thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.